Good day, my pupils. How are you doing? My name is Miss Aminat Adeniyi. The subject I'm taking you now is basic science, and our last topic was energy. In our last class, I define energy for you, and also I state some of the forms of energy. I define energy as the ability to do work, and also energy is the property of an object which can be transferred to other objects or converted into different forms. But energy cannot be created nor destroyed. Energy causes things to happen around us, like the food that we eat, it contains energy. And we use energy to play, we use energy to work, we use energy to do all sorts of things around us. And sun is the biggest source of energy on earth. Plants will receive energy from the sun, and we human beings will depend on the food made by plants to get our own energy. Plants make their food in the presence of sunlight, and the process is called photosynthesis. We also talk on the forms of energy, which are electrical energy, light energy, sound energy, heat or thermal energy, mechanical energy. And we have two examples of mechanical energy, which are kinetic energy and potential energy. I hope you really understand all we did in our last class. So today we are moving to the continuation of the previous topic, which is light energy. What do I call it? Light energy. And these are the objectives of the lesson. That is, by the end of the lesson, you should be able to define light, mention the sources of light, state the uses of light. Now, what is the meaning of light energy? What is the meaning of light energy? Light is the form of energy which enables us to see things around us. It is with the help of light that we can see things around us. Without light, we can't see things around us. So light is the form of energy which enables us to see things around us. It is a form of electromagnetic radiation of a wavelength which can be detected by human eyes. It is a form of electromagnetic radiation of a wavelength which can be detected by human eyes. It is with the help of eyes that we can detect light. A blind person cannot see light. We can only detect light with the help of our eyes. And light exists in a tiny packet called photons. Light exists in a tiny packet called what? Called photons. And light is the only forms of energy that we can actually see directly. Every day we see light from different sources. So we are moving to that now. Sources of light. Sources of light. Sun is the most important source of light. Sun is the most important source of light. I said every day you see light from different sources. Like when you get up, you see light from different sources. And we have two sources of light, which are natural source. natural source. Light from naturally occurring objects are called natural source of light. We have some natural objects that light forms from them, and these natural forms of light is what we call natural source of light. And examples of this natural source of light are sun. You can see that sun, it is made by God. It is natural and it is a form of light. Stars, fireflies. These fireflies are all these tiny, tiny flies that we normally see at night that have light on their heads. So they are also a natural source of light. And the next one is man-made source. Light from man-made objects are called man-made source of light. The light that comes from man-made objects. There are some objects that are made by man, which brings light. And this light is what we call man-made source of light. And examples are bulb, candle, fire, torch. Did you understand? Now let's move to the next slide, which is uses of light. Uses of light. Light plays an important role in our daily lives. And some of the uses of light are: 1. Light helps us to see. I have explained this earlier that it is with the help of light that we can see things clearly. If there is no light, there is no how we will be able to see things. It is this light that helps us to see things clearly. You know, when the light is dim, we can't see things, but it is when there is light that we can see things clearly. 2. Plants use light energy from the sun to make their food. I've explained this also earlier that plants traps their food from the sun to make their food, and this food is what we human being depends on to get our own energy as well. And the process by which plant trap energy from the sun is called photosynthesis. 3. Light energy from sun is used in solar device. This solar device are placed along the streets, along the roadside. It gives us light, and they trap their energy as well from the sun. That's the reason why they could be able to give us light at night. And the last but not the least is light from sun plays an important role in metabolic activities of living things. Like you do hear early rise sun do gives vitamin D, and this vitamin D helps to build some metabolism in living things. And it is with the help of light that we get this vitamin D that helps to build some things in our body. Can you now see that light plays so many roles in our life? Did you understand this? Now, after the explanation of all these subtopics, you should be able to provide an appropriate answer to the following questions. Meaning of light, sources of light, uses of light. Now, do this assignment. Write 3 sources of light energy. Write the uses of light. Write 3 natural sources of light. Make sure you do it correctly. And before you leave this page, Don't forget to subscribe so as to get notified when new videos are dropped. Thank you.